So whenever I'm making a mob sauce, this is what I normally go with. 3/4 cup apple cider vinegar. I'm not going to measure anything. 1/4 cup white vinegar. About 3/4 cups of hot sauce. This I have just normal red hot. Two tablespoons of brown sugar. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika. Red pepper flakes. I like to use MSG instead of salt. Some stone ground mustard. Some Worcestershire sauce. Onion powder. Slice up 1 lemon. I previously used the zest for something else, so I'm just using this to get rid of it. Gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning. So after simmering for 15 minutes, we're gonna give this a taste. Yep, I'm gonna dump some beer in. There you go. So I'm going to be doing a pork butt this weekend. So I'll just save this for that. Show you that whenever that video gets made. If this helped you at all, don't forget to like and subscribe.